Right, so today we're finally going to put the welded diff in the IS200 because it's getting it's getting very close to the time where we're going to actually have to skid this thing. Diff is down here. Diff's here, this is all welded. This is an automatic diff. You see we've sealed it and everything already, so I'm not going to show you the inside of that, unfortunately. We have the finest gear oil in the land from Halford's. What a shite. And we hope that's enough because that's just what some random guy in a forum told me to buy. But Lexus is going up and we'll get to work. And just like that, we've got the standard diff out. You can see big hole. We're getting ready to put the new diff in now, which is an automatic welded diff. I think I probably already said that, didn't I? Now, we're a pair of fannies because we just poured a litre of gear oil in here. But my pal, who welded the diff, already done it. He didn't tell us he put any oil in it. So we just poured about a litre in here, put it back down and just have another litre come back out. So, yeah. Fannies of the day. Right, so we're just finishing up putting in the welded diff, and while we had this diff here on the bench, I thought I'd show you what happens. So, this is a standard open diff, and you can see what happens if I spin this. The other side spins the opposite direction, whereas in the welded they'll both spin the same direction. Okay, diff is installed, filled up with oil and stuff. We're going to take a little test drive, make sure there's no clunks, bangs, weird whines and stuff, and see what, hopefully it'll be alright. Okay, yeah, we're back home now. That was like a really easy thing to do. It took about 2 hours from car sitting on ground with an open diff to car sitting on ground with a welded diff. Obviously we didn't have to weld the diff, it was a diff swap, but it went really quite well, and now the car is welded diff. Unfortunately, the rad is leaking, so that's not great. I noticed a little bit of smoke coming out the front of the car. I was like, what the fuck is that? Opened the bonnet. Yeah, little bubbles coming out the very top of the radiator. So I need a new radiator. That's a bit crap, but hey, if that's the only thing that's wrong with the car, then that's okay. Yeah, so this video might be a bit shorter than the other ones, mainly because Stuart who helped me. Thank you so much, Stuart. Yeah, that was amazing that you helped me. He didn't really want to be in the video, so I respected that, but I wanted to make a video for you guys of what we could. But yeah, no, diff is in. Need to get a radiator, need to fix something with the bonnet latch. Still need to weld down that impressor seat. I think that's just what I'm going to do, just weld down the impressor seat. I want to spend as little money on this as possible, and the seat actually sits okay, so we'll get that welded up. And then the car's nearly ready for the bash. Now remember, the bash is coming up about a month and a bit, I think. I think it's like a month and 2 weeks or something. So we've got about 6 weeks to get the car ready. So we should be able to do that, which is good. I think I'm going to get some steering rack spacers, throw them on for a little bit extra lock. But yeah, IS200 is going to work. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully we can get out in the IS200 soon. But I'm going to end this here. I'll see you when I see you, and goodbye.